it's Michelle. Happy Friday, happy weekend. It's the last weekend in July. Can you believe that it's almost August? It's almost getting towards the end of summer. We're getting ready to go into our fall season. I'm super pumped, super excited. It has been forever since I've been on Facebook. That means we are being super busy all summer long. Getting ready. I'm in my Farmville location. So we are getting ready to welcome Longwood University back in the school year. And I'm like super pumped. I have a couple week break between weddings. So what is a weekend like? Oh my gosh, a weekend that I'm not really super busy. That is exciting. But anyway, so we've been up to a lot of stuff, and Island Glow is getting ready to celebrate 9 years in August. 9 years safely tanning the world. We are Powhatan, I think even Central Virginia's, but I know Powhatan and Farmville's only UV-free tanning salon. We're proud of that. We're excited about that. And that makes me so happy. And so, you know, we have our own products that we offer. We don't offer anyone else's products in our studios. Don't believe in that. Not at all. Not going to endorse someone else's product. So we bring you the very best that we possibly can. They are not purchased off of Amazon or someone else's website and slap a label on it and call it ours. We actually have developed our own product line. And so we have a brand new product that we launched a couple weeks ago, and it's flying off the shelf. So I figured, let me show you what it is and tell you what it is, because it's a game changer for every woman and man. Completely safe. It's amazing. So what this is, it's our little bottle of magic. That's what we call it, our little bottle of magic. It's in a dropper form, and as you can tell, it's all nice and clear. This is the magic that you find in our spray tans, our stand-up booth tans, our tanning mousse, our gradual tanner, our spritzers, even in our tan extenders. So DHA is a short little term for the magic that actually does the tanning. And you can get so many different strengths and qualities across the board when you go to any spray tanner, but we manufacture one of the most premium quality DHAs ever. That's why if you've ever tanned with us or used a self-tanner, you don't turn orange, you don't turn gray, you don't turn nasty colors. It's because we use such a clean, high-grade quality product in every single one of our products. We just do. So what we've done for our 9th anniversary, because we always launch a new product on our birthday, we've launched this little bottle of magic, and we call it just your self tanning drops. So how do you use this, and like how could anyone use it? Well, it's super easy. So first of all, if you like just a glow, you like a soft glow, you know, typically, I tell you what, you get your tanner or your self-tan on, and then your face always turns a little bit lighter because we wash our face and we use all these skincare products. So what you can do is you can take as many drops as you want and mix it into your face moisturizer, either before you go to bed or even use it in the morning, and just apply it all over. And what happens is, because it's clear, it has zero color, it's tanning your skin through the day, and nobody knows that you have tanning drops mixed into your skincare. Awesome. Also, let's see, for your body, what you could do is, like with our whipped body butter, you can even use it with with our solids. I like either. I still stick to my solids because I love them. But even with our whipped body butter, you can scoop some out, put about 6 to 10 drops into your body butter, mix it up, and then apply it all over. Again, it just tans you magically without you even knowing. It's like invisible tan that just tans you. Again, you could use this in the morning before you go to work, and then you'll be darker by the time you get off, or you could do it at night. So you tan at night and wake up the next morning darker. You could do that. You could put this in your sunscreen. You could put this in your foundation, like anything that's creamy or a liquid product, you can put some in. You actually could take like You could actually take like our gradual tanner or even our mousse, open up the top and put drops in there. So typically for maybe a light skin, you'd want to start with 6 to 10 drops, and just to see how that tan develops. You can go 10, 15, 20, 30 drops. I think there's a lot of drops in this little teeny sucker. But this is how you can customize your little tan. So you could go darker just by adding a few of our little magic drops to anything that you put on your skin. So be sure that if you are applying it with your hands, that you do wipe your hands really good, because you'll actually get really stained hands. So the neat thing is even though you may not see it developing on your face during the day, your hands at work will turn this stain. You're like, oh, it really is in there. So what you might want to do is get, if you don't have it, a little bottle of our tan remover. So if you get stained hands, you can remove your tan off your hands. Let's see what else. So if you want to go darker in your products, this is what you do. If you just want to mix them in your skincare, your body moisturizer, this is what you use. Love this, love this. It's my total obsession. I use it all the time. But just keep in mind, you have to play with the drops. The drops is what will like darken your tan. So like I said, it's normal to go 6 to 10 drops. It's really not going to turn you that dark. I think I'll have like 6 to 10 drops on. But if you want to go darker, do 10, 15, 20, try 30. Put it on your legs, put it on your arms, put it on your hands. I mean, and go anywhere. You can also use one of our mitts if you want to apply this all over. I mean, when you use a self-tanner, like, any of our self-tanners, you always apply with a mitt. Never with your bare hands. That would be jacked up ugly. So that's our newest baby. It's my newest obsession. Like, everyone can use this. It is amazing. And I just am so excited that we have brought our little magic in all of our tans to you. So you get to have fun with this, no matter where you are or who you are, how old you are. It's safe, it's awesome, it's great. Don't you love it? Oh! So anyway, I would love to, and then this actually could go with any self-tanner out there. I know that there are stuff on the shelf, self-tanners. I know you can buy stuff on Amazon, although be careful on Amazon, because we have found in one of my mentor groups that people are putting expired self-tanners and just junk, lots of chemicals, because it's not really authentic products. So just be careful that you're putting the right stuff on your body. Now, I do know that there are probably tanning drops you see from, CoverGirl, Maybelline, just all of those stores. Here's the difference between theirs and ours. I'm going to tell you the difference. Theirs is going to be a very low grade DHA. They can get a bundle worth. And I can't tell you how many clients that we get coming in as emergency because whatever they used and bought turned them orange. It's just because that's a very cheap grade of product. I have never been known to offer a cheap grade of product to any of my clients, no matter how much the price is or if it's free. So this is actually our specific high grade premium product that everyone tans with, that they've all been tanning with. Even our clients, the Redskins cheerleaders, the Carolina Top Cats, Miss Virginias, my bodybuilders, they even they get a different kind of bronzer on, but they still use the same high quality DHA. I mean, it's pretty awesome. So anyway, that is our product. I'm excited. I have a special code that I have just listed for you. You can go online and purchase yours. Just use Island Glow for your big discount on anything you want to shop for in our store this weekend. And if you're in our Farmville location or near our Powhatan, you can stop on in when we're open. You can get this. You can order online. Just tell us you want to pick it up in our outside box. We'll just leave it. But this is it. This is it. So very affordable, super fun. It'll last a long time. And it's like your little magic tan in a bottle that nobody can see. It's invisible. It's amazing. Love it. Thank you for supporting a small business. Because of you, we still are thriving and glowing, everyone, for 9 years strong now. I think we're up to over 11,200 clients so far in 9 years without using any beds. No beds, all UV free. And I wish I should probably go and count up how many self-tanners that we have provided in 9 years. That would be mind blowing because they just come off. Like, we can't ever keep our shelves stocked. Their stuff just falling off the shelves. Like, love it. All right. So anyway, it was so good to see everyone. Happy weekend. Tell me down below, what are you doing this weekend? Where are you going? What event are you going to? And if you haven't tried our products, try one. You'll probably fall in love with it. You'll be very interested to see how different a real tanning company offers their self tanners versus what you buy on a drugstore. Completely different. Completely different. But anyway, okay, so gotta go. Gotta finish doing my work, but I want to jump in here and say, hey, haven't seen all of you. Thank you so much for all of your support, your business, and make sure you follow us on our Instagram page, Island Glow VA. We post a ton of fun stuff on our Insta stories, as well as glow ponds all the time for major discounts or free services. That's where you'll see all of that. And then don't forget, follow us on our Facebook page at Island Glow VA, because that's where we post like our daily specials. Like today on Friday, it's Friends Fly Free. So as a member, if you have a membership with us, you get to bring in your friend, and your friend gets to spray tan the same level that you're spray tanning. So if you come in and get a medium, then she's getting a medium level too. If you get a dark, she gets a dark. Every Friday. Love it. All right, anyway, see you soon. For those of you who are local, tomorrow I will see y'all at my shop. I have opened up my schedule. I'm doing lash lifts for many of you. Can't wait to see you tomorrow, and